How to use ChatGPT for research. ChatGPT can be a powerful research assistant when used as a collaborator for brainstorming, synthesizing complex information, and structuring academic work. So what you want to do is, first thing, for intensive project, select deep research tool in a ChatGPT message composer. So automatic web browsing, that means unlike standard chats like model can spend 5 to 30 minutes dividing deep into a web to compile evidence-based reports. You could also, it may ask for follow-up questions about your project scope, preferred sources, or time frame before it begins. It cross-references multiple points of view and evaluates sources reliability to provide a comprehensive final report as well. Then you just want to streamline the research workflow. ChatGPT can assist in various stages of academic professor, generating research question, creating outline, summarizing content, and drafting section as well. Next, you could just go to the data interpretation, visual generalization, as well as code assistant. And that's how you'll be able to use ChatGPT for research. So with that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.